give a salute to the national anthem of Myanmar. Thank you. Now, I would like to officially welcome our honorary guests.
Rotary International is an international community that brings together leaders who step up to take on the world's toughest challenges. Along with our partners, we have helped immunize more than 2.5 billion children against polio in 122 countries. We have reduced polio cases by 99.9% worldwide, and we won't stop until we end the disease for good. Please rise up and join me toast to our beloved organization. Rotary International.
I would like to invite our President, Pheu Viyasa, to give an opening speech.
Mingalaba. It's a great pleasure for me to have all of you here with us on the second installation ceremony of Rotary Club of Central Yangon. Whenever there is an emergency case like floods and wars broken in the country, we join our hands and donated cash and kind. And also, the greatest achievement we have accomplished is helping a hospital in Palan in the northern Chin state. We could achieve approximately $500,000 US worth projects. And the last project we are now trying to complete is a school in a village near Pa'an, the capital of Kayin State. And I would like to thank all the Rotarians of RCCY and also RCY. I would like to request all of you to continue giving your hands, and together we will be stronger and will be the inspiration. Thank you very much.
Mingalaba. First of all, I would like to say thank you very much for all your contribution to our foundation. Actually, Rotary Club of Central Yangon is the second Rotary Club in Myanmar today and have already increased your membership from 30 core members to close to 40 members today. Immediate past President Phyo Weyasa, I congratulate you and your team for your dedication to the development of your young club and to continuity as evident in the fact that you already have a president-elect. I'm sure that your club officers will take the club to the next step in development and will be the inspiration in the way you run the club and bring positive changes to the community that you support. Good luck and all the best to all of you.
Good morning, everyone. As we are newly appointed RCCY chairs and boards, we shall continue to carry out the activity as Rotary aims to service the needs with support of RCCY members and other Rotarians around the world. I would like to invite 2018-2019 boards and chair of RCCY, Ko Tanyi, who is President-elect and Vice President. Ko Phyo Weyasa, immediate past President. Master Sutin, President nominee and Chair for Speaker Committees. Ko Nemin, Club Secretary. Ko Tonton A, Chair for Public Relations and Sergeant at Arms. Ko Aumya Cho, Chair for Membership Committee. Ko Ye Thong U, Chair for Rotary Foundation Committee. Ko Cho Zia Aung, Chair for Youth Service Committee. Ma O Ma Mo, Chair for Project Service Committee. Ma Yi Yin Mien, Chair for Club Admin Committee.
Chapter President, Mr. King Auto, he will give a thank you speech for this event.
Mingalava, good afternoon. So I would like to thank our district governor, Khun Nakausen, all the past district governor, Jason Lin, and all the district 3350, also from Mr. Azik, Polio Foundation, Rotary, and Anka Martin, our teacher, our assistant governor, and so current new president of RCY, Mahi Mao, IPP, Go Sangwin, and all committee chair member. So thanks for attending and support our officer installation ceremony. So this is time to toast for him and new thing, our Rotary spirit of be the inspiration.
Rotary Club came to Myanmar in 1929. So next year will be our 90th anniversary. I'm going to recommend that RCCY and RCY have a committee to have a 90-year celebration. How about that? Yes, okay. Now hopefully we'll have minimum of 90 members. Delegation. So I'm asking the new incoming president for RCCY and RCY to decide on the date, place. Thank you very much.